Hi, I'm Jackie, and I just recently graduated from USM, and I very recently got hired full-time at a local Maine biotech company, which I had been interning at all summer, and a couple months, they extended it for a few months after that until I got hired permanently. So to get this job, I applied everywhere I could think of, and I was checking the internet, specifically Indeed.com, where they will compile all the job postings for certain categories, and I was typing in biology for Maine and New Hampshire because I want to stay in this area, and I would apply to anything I thought I was qualified for, and some were reaches, and I just wanted to let everyone know that it can take a while for people to get back to you. Don't panic. Sometimes it's like 3 to 4 weeks sometimes before they'll schedule you for an interview. And as far as interviews go, I wanted to let you know that it's very appropriate to bring notes so that you'll be well prepared for the questions that the interviewers will ask you. And something they commonly ask is, why do you want to work here? And of course, you just want a job. That's what I wanted. But you have to give them like a better answer than that. So be prepared for that question, and be prepared for what is your biggest strengths and weaknesses, what would you bring to the table, what sort of lab equipment do you have experience with. So just have all that stuff sort of written out so you, when you're nervous at the interview, you'll be prepared. And then the other thing that's real handy, that's maybe the most helpful for getting a job in the biotech field, is having lab experience beyond your classes. Even if it's not a job, but like if you just volunteered with a professor for a couple hours a week for a semester or something, all that's very, very helpful. And the other thing is that when I started applying in senior year, I started heavily applying to places around like December through the early spring. So there's the sort of timeline. Good luck, everybody. I hope you get a job.